guys, and welcome back to our channel Rescue Digital Media. Today, in this video, I will show you how to fix error 0xc10100aa, can't play in Windows 11 or 10 with 6 quick fixes. But before that, like, subscribe and ring the bell icon to get notified when our new video lands. Now, let's move on to fix this issue. Solution 1. Close and reopen Movies and TV app. Sometimes the internal glitches and bugs start causing such issues. Therefore, in this situation, restarting both your PC and Movies and TV app can fix the error. Solution 2. Update Media Player and Codecs. The next method is to install the latest updates for Microsoft Movies and TV app. This will ensure that you have the necessary codecs for the video format you are trying to play. To do so, go to Windows search bar. Then type and open Microsoft Store. Then search there for Microsoft Movies and TV. If an update is available, you will see an update button. Click it to quickly install the update. Once the update is installed, Microsoft Movies and TV will launch automatically. Solution 3. Update the Windows OS. If you've ignored the Windows update on your system for a long time, your OS might lack some essential features required for playing video on built-in media players, such as Movies and TV. Consider updating Windows OS to fix error 0xc10100aa, can't play problem. First, go to the settings of your PC. Select the Windows Update option. Now, click on the Check for Updates button to check the system for any available updates. Next, install all the updates shown by the system. Solution 4. Repair the Movie and TV app. You can even attempt to resolve 0xc10100aa video error by fixing the Movie and TV app. Follow these steps to address the Movies and TV can't play problem. Press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run box. Type temp in the box. And press Enter. In the pop-up window, select all the files. And right-click to choose Delete. If the issue persists, you can proceed with repairing and reinstalling the Movie and TV app to fix the 0xc10100aa error. Search for Movie and TV in the search bar. And click on App Settings. In the Settings window, click on the Repair or Reset options under the Reset section. If these options do not resolve the issue, click on Install. After uninstalling the app, visit the Microsoft Store to reinstall the Movie and TV app. Solution 5. Fix error 0xc10100aa, can't play video with Video Repair Tool. If you are getting error 0xc10100aa, can't play video due to file corruption, try Video Repair Tool. It fixes corrupted, jerky, pixelated, grainy, out of sync, and other video-related issues. Apart from that, it can also repair corruption in video frames, header, and slider movement. So, just download and install this video repair on your PC to know how it works. Download, install and launch video repair software on your system. Click on Add Files to add corrupted video files. Click on Repair button to begin the repairing process. This start repairing your added video files one by one. You can click on Preview, in order to preview the repaired video file within the software. And click on Save Repaired Files button to save the repaired videos at desired location. Find its download and user guide links in the below description box. Solution 6. Use alternative media players. When you face the video error 0xc10100aa, you can use another media player like VLC, Hot Player, or Pot Player instead of Movie and TV app to play the video file. They may have a wider range of built-in codecs and may be able to play your video without requiring additional codec installation. So, this is all about fixing error 0xc10100aa, can't play video. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.